If you're holding 10,000 XRP, you've already done the hard part. You bought in when most people were still asking, what even is XRP? You sat through years of a stalled SEC case, and you didn't sell during every 20% drop that convinced weaker hands to get out. That decision, statistically, is the one thing most people never manage to do with any investment. You held. But here's the question I almost never see anyone actually answer. What's your plan for the other 90% of your money? Because if you're like most XRP holders I hear from, the honest answer is there isn't one. XRP is the plan. And that's a bigger problem than most people realize, for one simple reason. XRP being right doesn't pay your bills today. It pays them someday, maybe on a timeline you don't control. Let's actually look at where things stand. XRP has spent the last several weeks trading in a tight range, roughly $1 to $1.10 without a clean breakout in either direction. ETF inflows into XRP products have been noticeably weaker than the enthusiasm around their launch suggested. The institutional wave a lot of holders were counting on hasn't shown up in the volume yet. And regulatory clarity, the thing that's supposed to unlock the next leg for the entire non-Bitcoin crypto market, is currently sitting on a Senate deadline that could slip into next year. None of that means XRP is broken. It means XRP is waiting. And waiting is not a strategy. It's a position you're stuck in until something outside your control changes. Here's the part that actually matters for you personally. If your entire financial plan is hold XRP until it moves, you've built a plan with exactly one lever. One asset, one catalyst, one timeline you don't control. The SEC, the Senate, institutional adoption, none of which you can influence from where you're sitting. That's not diversification, that's concentration dressed up as conviction. And the people I talk to who are most frustrated right now aren't frustrated because XRP failed. They're frustrated because they built their entire financial identity around a single position and now feel powerless while they wait for it to prove them right. So what does the rest of your money actually look like, done properly? It's not about abandoning XRP. Nobody's telling you to sell. It's about building an active income stream that doesn't depend on a single asset's timeline. Gold is a clear example of why this matters right now. While XRP has been stuck in its range, gold has been making real tradable moves, driven by interest rate expectations, geopolitical risk, and institutional positioning that has nothing to do with crypto regulation or SEC rulings. Forex pairs move on data you can actually read this week: inflation prints, employment numbers, central bank decisions, not on a bill that might or might not pass a Senate vote 9 days from now. The difference is simple. XRP is a position you're holding and hoping. Gold and Forex traded with discipline are decisions you're making based on information available today. One requires patience and faith in an outcome you can't control. The other requires skill you can actually build and improve on a timeline that's yours. This is exactly why I stopped treating XRP as my whole financial plan and started treating it as one piece of a bigger one. Your XRP position is your savings, the long-term bet you hold and let play out over years, while regulation and adoption catch up. But your salary, your active income, the money you can actually act on this week instead of waiting on a headline that has to come from somewhere else. That's the actual gap most XRP-only holders have. And it's the gap that's quietly costing them the most month after month while they wait for one asset to do all the work. That's the entire reason the free trading community exists. Not another Discord full of hype and vague signals, but real Forex setups built for people who are done treating wait and see as their only financial move. It costs nothing to join. No membership fee, no upsell hiding behind the free label. Because the model isn't built on charging you, it's built on the community actually working. Right now, the Founding 50 list still has spots open. Once it's full, that's it. It doesn't reopen. And founding members get a badge that never comes back once the list closes. The link's in the description and pinned comment. join through it, and the second you're in, you'll get the full server walkthrough automatically by scrolling down in the Start Here section. Rules, how signals work, everything laid out so you're not lost for even a minute. You already proved you can hold. That's rare, and it matters. Now it's time to make the other 90% of your money work as hard as your patience already has.